Elbit Systems Nanosphere. The Elbit Systems Nanosphere is a revolutionary RF decoy designed to protect aircraft from incoming threats, both airborne and ground-launched. Unveiled at the prestigious Paris Air Show, the Nanosphere can either work alongside existing aircraft systems or operate as a standalone unit. Its compatibility with both newer and older aircraft means minimal integration time and cost, making it an attractive option for various fleets. Weighing less than 800 grams, it's a lightweight yet powerful tool that deploys seamlessly through a standard countermeasure dispensing system, offering robust defense in any aerial combat scenario. Arquus Mavericks. At the 2024 Eurosatory Defense Exhibition, the Maverick armored vehicle prototype from Arquus made a splash. Often heralded as the future of armored ground vehicles, the Mavericks comes equipped with a formidable 400 horsepower engine and can comfortably transport up to 10 personnel, including the driver and commander. With its impressive off-road capabilities and the ability to traverse water up to 1.2 meters deep, the Mavericks is built to tackle tough terrains. It was displayed with a 25mm machine gun turret, but its modular design means it can be fitted with various other weapons, making it adaptable for multiple combat scenarios. Simunition. Simunition stands at the forefront of the non-lethal training ammunition market, crafting solutions that enhance close-quarter combat skills with maximum realism. Their specialized 5.56mm rounds deliver accuracy up to 30 meters and are ideal for replicating real combat scenarios. Alongside protective gear and weapon conversion parts, Simunition develops tailored training environments, such as urban combat, woodland operations, and VIP protection, making them a trusted name among military and law enforcement agencies globally. Teledyne FLIR SUGV. Teledyne FLIR's SUGV, Small Unmanned Ground Vehicle, is a versatile robot that excels in reconnaissance and demolition tasks. Weighing just 13 kilograms, it can handle loads of up to 10 kilograms and navigate challenging terrains, including stairs. Controlled through an Android tablet, the SUGV can be operated like a video game, making it highly intuitive. Its agility and 4 high-definition color cameras make it an asset not just in military operations, but also for search and rescue missions. Skywall Auto. The Skywall Auto system gained significant attention when it was deployed to protect the G7 summit in Germany. Using AI algorithms, it swiftly identifies and neutralizes multiple drone threats. Unlike conventional anti-drone systems, Skywall Auto uses projectiles that combine a net and a parachute to capture drones intact, preserving them for forensic analysis. With the capability to engage drones flying up to 43 kilometers per hour and requiring only a single operator, it's a sophisticated solution for securing sensitive airspaces. Anduril Altius. The Altius series from Anduril is a family of precision-guided munitions, often described as kamikaze drones. The standard 700 megaton variant is equipped with a powerful 15-kilogram warhead capable of delivering the destructive force of an AGM-114 Hellfire missile. With a range of up to 160 kilometers, these drones can target and destroy heavily armored vehicles, tanks, and even ships, all while being controlled by a single operator. This advanced system showcases the evolution of drone warfare technology and its transformative impact on modern combat. Aselsan Timsah T3100C. The Aselsan Timsah T3100C is an advanced optical sight designed for rifles and handguns, boasting a high-resolution OLED display of 1280 by 1024 pixels. It offers comprehensive customization options, including adjustments for contrast, brightness, and color palette, along with night vision and thermal imaging capabilities. Lightweight at just 1 kilogram, it has an operational lifespan of 8 hours, making it an ideal addition to any firearm, whether for military or special operations. Acelboy 100P. Aselsan's Acelboy 100P is a passive sonobuoy designed for deployment from aircraft, reaching depths of up to 150 meters. with an operational duration of up to 8 hours and a frequency range of 5 to 2,400 Hz. It provides extensive underwater surveillance capabilities. Its compact design allows it to be deployed at heights of up to 520 meters, making it suitable for both anti-submarine warfare and underwater reconnaissance missions. Sonoflash. Sonoflash, a product set to join the French Navy's arsenal next year, is a cutting-edge sonobuoy packed into a sleek 91 centimeters long, 12 centimeters diameter casing. Compatible with NH-90 Cayman helicopters, it operates in both passive and active modes. Its robust design and versatility have positioned it as a key component in France's future underwater warfare strategies. Tech Torch. The Tech Torch, now contracted by the United States Air Force, is a compact thermite cutting tool capable of vaporizing steel with a stream of molten metal particles. It can blast a 9mm diameter hole through 12.7mm thick steel plates in just 2 seconds and even works underwater. With a potential for use in rescue operations and military sabotage missions, this tool is a powerful addition to any tactical toolkit. John Cockerell Defense Tank Boat. The John Cockerell Defense Tank Boat, also known as the X-18C, is a fast and agile armored boat with a catamaran-style hull. Built with composite materials, it's 10 times stronger and lighter than steel. The combat module can be equipped with a 105mm rifled gun, but the prototype showcased a 30mm Bushmaster Mark 44. Capable of carrying 20 Marines and reaching speeds of 74 kilometers per hour, this vessel is designed for rapid deployment in coastal and riverine combat scenarios. Docking MV3. The Docking MV3 is a multi-purpose robotic vehicle designed for anti-terror operations. With a modular design and remote control capabilities up to 500 meters away, it can perform various tasks like hostage rescue, surveillance, and bomb disposal. It moves at 8 kilometers per hour and can be equipped with additional tools like a battering ram or robotic arm, making it an essential component in high-risk scenarios. HDT Hunter Wolf. The HDT Hunter Wolf was developed as part of the U.S. SMET program, designed to serve as a robotic carrier for the military. This 6-wheel, all-wheel drive machine can carry up to a ton of load and operates as a self-propelled 15-kilowatt generator. Its hybrid drivetrain allows it to recharge while on the move, and its open modular design supports the integration of various weapon systems, making it a multi-purpose tool in combat logistics. XM204, Top Attack Munition. The XM204 is a suitcase-sized mine launcher that holds 4 projectiles capable of tracking targets within a 1-kilometer radius. When an enemy vehicle comes within 50 meters, the mines are launched upwards to strike from above, targeting vulnerable areas. Lightweight and portable, the XM204 can be carried by just 2 soldiers and can be set to self-destruct after a predefined time, ensuring operational safety. Avalis Free Flight Grill. The Avalis Free Flight Grill is a specialized drone designed for emergency medical evacuation. With a payload capacity of 135 kilograms and a range of 51 kilometers, it can transport injured personnel quickly and safely. Equipped with vital signs monitoring and video communication systems for psychological support, this drone can be deployed by a 2-person team in just 15 minutes, revolutionizing how wounded soldiers are extracted from the battlefield.